If we apply Fazor too early, then we run the risk of reducing tuber development and potentially can affect the whole crop thereon and saleability from that point. From a visual perspective, we're looking at flowering to start with. We'd want to be applying Fazor at the end of flowering. Clearly we can see here we're not there yet on the Maris Piper, perhaps looking at 7 to 10 days before that's fully finished. Whereas here in the Royal, you can clearly see it's all done and dusted. So just from a visual point, driving into the field, you could make that assessment. But what's really important is to make sure that the tuber sizes are right. So here we've sorted the Maris Piper into varying sizes, from 55mm and above, right down to 25mm and below. And these cards are invaluable for making decisions. Very useful, just chuck them in your pocket. And clearly, I mean, this is right on the cusp of being 25mm, but we'll put it in the 25mm pile. So there's about 25 tubers here, of which 3 are undersized. This is actually perfect timing from a tuber point of view, because from here onwards are above the 25mm requirement. But as we talked about earlier, because of the flowering, we're still going to be looking at a delay. So given the variation between the two varieties, our Royal on this side, finished flowering, crop starting to just sort of give back a bit, this is ready to spray, and the application will be made in the next 24 hours, or 48 hours, provided there's not too much rain forecast. Whereas because of the flowering delay on the Maris Piper, we're probably looking at a 7 to 8 day application window.